Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a requested video from Nicole Elizabeth, and she just says, possible hair care routine. I've always loved your hair and I'm trying so desperately to grow mine out. So thanks Nicole for the request. I can't remember the last time I actually did a hair routine video, but I'm not sure how different the products will be. So I'm just going to start from the beginning and then we'll go through to styling and everything like that. So obviously I've got black hair, so I just dye my hair at home, because that's like $10 a month compared to about 120 a month, so that saves me what, like $1,200 a year or something, so great value. And my favorite at the moment, I like the L'Oreal hair dye. I'll just put up like photos of what the box looks like so you guys know what I'm talking about. I like the Garnier one, the L'Oreal one, and there's like a cream one, but I can't remember the brand. But they're my favourites. And they also come with the little really high conditioning little conditioner. And I love those. I wish you could buy them in like a 1 litre because I love them and I would literally have a litre of it. And I can't find any conditioners that are as good as that. They smell so good and make your hair look so good, and so obviously I keep them, but I run out of them, but they're so good. And yeah, I just haven't found any treatments or anything that gives that same look. For shampoo, I'm pretty cheap on that as well. So my favorite of course is the Herbal Essence, the rose one. Again, I'll put a little picture, but I absolutely love that. The fragrance is so amazing, just gives me like a throwback to when they used to do those awesome commercials.
I wish I could have an organic experience. It's our first time.
For blow drying, I just use this Remington one. I got it ages ago. And the key, if you want to grow your hair, if you're like Nicole and you want to grow your hair, you can't be blow drying your hair every time you wash it or even once a week. But I would only blow dry your hair if you're going to like a special event or something and you want to do the whole process, because it does make your hair look really nice and it holds the style much longer if you do the blow drying. But damn, does that shit damage your hair. But if you are blow drying, or whether or not you are blow drying, it doesn't matter. You can still use a mousse, and a mousse will make your hair look shiny, makes it hold its style for longer, and it'll stay cleaner longer. I noticed anyway, like it won't go as greasy as fast. I like Thrushcraft products because I think they're reliable and they're also a drugstore supermarket brand. For straightening, I have a Cloud9 and I have the wide iron because I've got thicker hair, and if you have longer hair you'll like the wider iron as well because it gets the job done quicker. I definitely recommend it. I think I got it on Afterpay, so that makes it a bit easier because they're super expensive. I've got 3 products that you can use and just leave in. So I'll start with a Swash Swaft Serum Deep Repair, and it's a creamy serum. I'll just show you on my hand. So it's just like a cream, and you can just rub that on your fingertips and just put it through the ends of your hair, and that just gives, it's got such a good smell. So it adds a nice bit of nourishment to your hair, makes it a bit softer, and you can use it on curls as well. My next product is an absolute fave, and I first discovered this when I was still living in New Zealand because you can pick it up at Farmers, and it's the Lee Stafford Shine Serum. And this stuff, it is like a serum, it's not an oil, and it's super slippery, but it's not heavy, so it's not heavy like an oil, and you can just put it through your hair. It makes your hair look so nice and glossy and soft. Definitely adds so much softness. So love that. That is like a 10 out of 10 product. The last product I have to show is the Thrushcraft Dry Oil Mist Smooth and Shine. I'm so sad because I ran out, and I couldn't find it in Priceline. So it's this really nice product. This is what I do for my daughter because she's got really knotty hair. Just spray it on. There's none in there. You just spray it on and you can just like brush through. It gets through the knots really easy. It's really good if you're like doing a style and like braiding someone's hair or braiding your own hair. Just makes it all slip into place. So it's a really nice way to add oil to your hair without adding a real heaviness. So the most important thing if you want to grow your hair, I don't know if it matters what whether or not you use hairdresser or supermarket products. The main thing is to definitely use like a deep conditioner. So as I said, I use the one from the hair dye, or just like regular conditioner, and you leave it in. Make sure you comb it through, and that'll make your ends really soft. Minimal blow drying, and heat styling if you can. I always straighten my hair anyway. Get a good straightener. I think the cheaper they are, the hotter they are. Another thing is just don't stress out too much about your hair. Just like let it go and like forget about it, because it does take time. A couple of years ago I hacked my hair off into a bob, and then for my wedding I chopped it even shorter, and so it was this really short bob, guys. I'll show you some pictures, you probably remember, but and yeah, so 2 years later this is what it is. So it's grown that much in 2 years. So yeah, if you have any questions at all, or if you have some tips to share, just pop them in the comment section, and then we can all learn, and then maybe I can learn something new, because I've been using this kind of routine, you know, for 2 years, and this is where I finally am. But if you guys know a way to grow your hair quicker, maybe we should all be taking some vitamins, but we're not, are we? So but yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.